Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about leveraging blogging with along with YouTube to gain results. So I've been looking at blogging for about say 2-3 years now, but I never actually started one. So lately my interest has been growing, how and using blogging and affiliate marketing together. So going through Entre content, actually learn how everything should be implemented to maximize the results. So looking at Jesse's videos, and it's pretty amazing how you can actually leverage blogging because once you record a video such as this one, you could actually write it up and properly write it up, because there's also ways to do it in order to rank better. And then you're pretty much doing two things in one, and you can drive traffic to your channel from your blog or vice versa. So it's actually pretty amazing how you're leveraging two biggest world's biggest search engines, YouTube and Google, via your blog to actually make some sales or to build a real estate, digital real estate online. And so it does help you to build credibility, because people can actually see your written content, and some will see video, and they get to know you better, and they see that you're actually trying to help people as opposed to just to make a quick buck, because you're there for a long haul and you actually care about your followers, or your list of people who you constantly release your content to, and you help to improve their whatever niche may it be. And you will form that connection, that bond with those people, and they see that you have a legit content. So putting, it takes time. It's not gonna kick in right away. It takes months to over a year, depending on how much content you're putting out. But the main thing is to get started, to get right on it. And if you're posting any videos, or if you haven't made any videos, it's a good idea to start somewhere. May it be a blog, or maybe two of them, or if you have been shooting videos like me but you haven't been writing them up or blogging, it's a good idea to start sometime. The sooner the better, because you'll start that compound interest, and as we all know, it's gonna gain you results over time. Not everybody's gonna have the same results, but if you can constantly apply yourself over a certain amount of time, you will see some results, or some people see amazing results because of the amount of work they've been blogging and recording their videos. So I hope that helps you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm here to give you guys value, and I would appreciate it. And thank you guys. See you tomorrow.